You guys, look at this property. How beautiful is this? I gotta walk down this long driveway in these hills. But you guys, I'm in Bel Air, about to do something for a TV show. So yeah, it's just cute.
Girl, I get the money if you make you mine, oh. If you love me every night, you make you mad, oh. Now only you give me love and make me nice, oh, nice, oh, nice, oh. I feel make you mine, oh. When I love you, plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. Girl, I love you every day.
We got some Snoop Dogg going on right here. Look at this view, y'all. Look at this view. It's crazy. Wow, this is stunning. I can't believe I'm here right now. And I can't believe I don't even know what's going on. No idea. But look at the universe. Look at how God works. Your girl is sitting in Bel Air, this beautiful $1 million property. That's life. Sorry, I just realized I'm smacking.
Nice, nice, nice. I feel make you mine. When I love you, plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. Girl, I love you every day. Diamonds and my money, I go pay. For your love, I go pay. It ain't making money, J's. I feel this for you every day. When you call, run it back on replay. For your love, I go pay. For your love, I go play. Psycho, make a traffic psycho. Baby, if you nice, I go drive me psycho. Baby, every dirty, don't make me mad. Make you sing to the mic. Girl, you are that looking in your eyes. Show you many things you can utilize. If I say I love you, then I tell you like so. Show you everything that I tonight.
Okay, so we all wrapped up with shooting. I'm just gonna take a look upstairs. Oh my gosh, can you guys imagine living here? We're just being here for vacation. Look how beautiful this is. Ooh, hang out, watch some TV, enjoy the view. This is insane. I always think to myself, like, people really live like this. I gotta grind harder, y'all, because what?
When you call, run it back on replay. For your love, I go pay. For your love, I go play. Psycho, make a traffic psycho. Baby, if you lazy, I go drive me psycho. Baby, every dirty, don't make me mad. Make you sing.
Oh, that was a wrap. I had fun doing something that was outside of my comfort zone. But still real estate related, still content related. I definitely can't wait to see that. I was gonna add the final product to this video, but they said it's gonna take at least 6 weeks to
Yeah, man. You know, like, I really like this song because I love the lyrics. You feel me? Like, feeling up, starting over, I wish you luck.
And diesel instructors have years of experience and are dedicated to teaching students the technical skills needed to become a skilled professional.
That they really don't understand it, and then at the end of the journey, they feel confident, they would grab a tool and perform the task.
And what we have before us is a recording, which we call the Bible, has been translated from ancient languages.
The veggies is cooking. About to get the steak going. I like to make sure that the skillet is very, very hot before putting any food in there. So this is my dish made with love. Right after I ate that steak and rice, my stomach immediately started hurting. Like, I don't know if it's because I don't eat steak like that or because I've been like detoxing, juicing, eating salads and all that good stuff, but my body did not like it immediately. So hopefully I feel a little bit better soon, but I'm getting ready to head to the studio because Armand left his camera in my back seat. I'm just about to give him this food as well as these freaking snacks because I don't want no parts. I'm gonna just stick to what I know. So I guess we about to wrap it up right here, call it a night. I want to wake up early, work out, have a good day. I hope you guys are having an amazing night and all that good stuff. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as they say. Even if you are subscribed, to hit the bell so you can get notified. Anywho, good night, guys. Sleep tight.
Okay, you're free. Real freaky. Just tell me where it's gonna be, where it's gonna be, baby. Yeah. Yeah.